from Easy Living Furniture, and this is the Savona round dining table. The Savona dining table comes in 3 versions. We have a round 120 cm non-extendable version, a 140 cm non-extendable rectangular version, and a 180 cm extendable rectangular table. The extendable table has 2 50 cm extension leaves, so the table can go from 180 to 230 to 280 cm. The extension leaves can be hidden neatly within the table when not in use. The table is designed to extend smoothly with the aid of a rolling mechanism. We also have security clips underneath the table to lock the leaves in place. This table is absolutely stunning. It's a sleek and modern design with an industrial twist. The top of the table is carefully carved from oak veneer and is finished in the sophisticated black lacquer. It features curved edges and a beautiful grooving detail. The legs are black metal and round in design. This is the perfect table choice if you're looking for something minimalistic yet sophisticated. You can shop the Savona dining tables now by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.